Hello again, students. Let's do the Basil Maze Blaster. Answer questions about the percentile rank. In a cooking contest with 82 competitors, you placed 10th. All right, so I'm going to label a couple things here. 82 is the total number of competitors, and you placed 10th. Okay, cool. So what does 10th place truly mean? Well, let's answer some questions about that. How many people placed better than you? Well, if you got 10th place, that means 9 people are ahead of you. Okay, if you think about the podium, if you're on the 10th box, there's going to be 9 boxes for the people ahead of you. There you go. That's about it. So how do you find the better than yous? Easy. You take your place, okay, minus 1, and that's going to give you the number ahead of you. So that might be a good number to use. We'll use that here in a second. If I could spell, there we go. Ahead of you. All right, cool. How many people did you place ahead of? Okay, so how many people are behind you? Well, if you got 10th place and there's 82 total competitors, you would want to group yourself with the tops now. You want to group yourself with those top 9. So you're talking about the people behind you. So 82 minus 10 is 72. Okay, cool. So there's 72 people behind you. All right. Now, how do you find percentile rank? Well, that's a little tricky. Percentile rank is kind of like your location. If you were to start from the bottom and work your way to the top, it's your location from the bottom. Okay, so to find it, one of the easiest ways to do it is you take your place and you add the number of people behind you, and then you divide by the total. Okay, or not your place, but you. Okay, so you're one person, right? So you're one person plus the number of people behind you. All right, so I could go like this. I'm one person. There are 72 people behind me. Now I'm going to divide by 82, which if I simplify that, it's 73. So I'm technically from the bottom. If you were 10th place, you're the 73rd person in line. Okay. So the absolute, oops, not 81. I was thinking 1. The absolute worst person would be the first person in line if you're going from the bottom up. And then if you're 10th place, you're actually in the 73rd spot, so to speak, from the bottom. Percentile rank is from the bottom, so it's a little bit tricky to calculate. And when you do 73 divided by 82, we get 0.8902, so that's the 89th percentile. All right, that's one way to do it. So you, which is one person, plus the number of people behind you divided by the total, okay, not your place. But you can use the place value to help find all those numbers, okay? So like there's 72 people behind you because you subtract the 10. Another way to do it, how else can we get this 73? Well, you can also use the number of people ahead of you. So you can also do this. This will also work. So if you take the total and you subtract the number ahead of you, that will also get you your place from the bottom, so to speak. All right, so you can also do this. If I could spell, geez Louise, I'm not having a good time this morning. All right, so there's, well, we got 82 competitors, 82 competitors. There's 9 of them that are ahead of you, and then out of 82, and when you calculate that again, there you go, same number, okay? So 73, you're 73rd from the bottom. If you're 10th place, you're 73rd from the bottom. It's kind of tricky because you think, oh, if I'm 10th place, I'm 72. No. If you're 10th place, there's 72 people behind you. So you're actually the 73rd person from the bottom. And then you divide, and then you win. You get your percentile rank. It's pretty easy to figure out if you're careful. So use this idea. It'll help you. Otherwise, that's it for the Basil Maze Blaster. We'll see you in class.